Hey there. So, let's talk about a common problem that some Mac users face with scheduled wake events that just won't cancel. Frustrating, right? Now, diving into the solution provided, one way to tackle this issue is by using the command sudo pmset schedule cancel. This command helps in cancelling those persistent one-off events causing the unwanted wake-ups. Continuing with the solution, another handy command is sudo pmset schedule cancel type date plus time owner. This command provides more control over which specific entries to cancel, giving you the flexibility to tailor the cancellations to your needs. In summary, dealing with stubborn Mac wake events can be a hassle, but with the right commands like sudo pmset schedule cancel and sudo pmset schedule cancel type date time owner, you can regain control and put an end to those unwelcome interruptions. So, remember to cancel those unwanted events and enjoy uninterrupted Mac usage. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments section below. See you next time.